Guys, welcome to my channel. So we're gonna be drawing no glue slime. So we're gonna be needing is cream of tartar. I found this in the spice aisle. That's where I always find it. And some toothpaste. I don't know if all of them work. Bowl and something to mix with. So I'm gonna be putting the toothpaste first. Okay, well, not that much. There you go. So when the toothpaste is there, we're gonna add the cream of tartar. Okay, not too much. You can see I'm putting this in. Wait, coming. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Okay, it's not getting that not together. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. So I'm not gonna put it yet. So I was playing with this slime and this slime. So I'm gonna put this too. It was clear, then it got too foggy. So I'm gonna put it together. Here's the slime, and to make sure that you guys are gonna say that it's a lie, I'm putting something on it. I'm actually not. So yeah, I made another one, but I didn't put it in the freezer yet. Look, it's still the same one. So I haven't put it in the freezer yet. It's still the same. So this one I had too much cream of tartar. This one I actually didn't. So I'm gonna see which one works better. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 10 minutes and see you back. I'm gonna do a second part, and a second part 2. So yeah, see you in the part 2.